If your advertising access is restricted on Facebook, or you have a message like, we notice suspicious activity on this account, before you can request a review, we need to confirm your identity, or your identity, your Facebook account is restricted for security reasons. All of these are restrictions that relate to identity confirmation. And before you can get your account reinstated, you need to confirm your identity. So I'm going to give you the steps that you need to follow in order to do the identity confirmation successfully and request for your account to be reinstated. Every day I get tons of people contacting me with problems of failed identity confirmation, because they try to confirm the identity, and because they don't follow the right procedures, the identity confirmation fails. So in this video, I'm going to show you why your identity confirmation fails and how to do it the right way. So first of all, if your identity confirmation failed for a user account, a Facebook user account, then that account, that will be a permanent restriction. You can't do anything to that account again. However, if your identity confirmation failed and it is a business manager account or a page or any other advertising asset, you still have a chance to get it back. So stay to the end. Even for those of you that your account, your identity confirmation fails and it is permanent, I will still have a solution for you. Stay to the end, and then let's see what best we can do. Now, so first of all, when you log into your account, log into your Facebook. So for those who don't know, for if you are having a restriction and you want to check the details, you log into your account, check your ad manager on the left hand side. If you click on ad manager, it will bring you to your ad manager. So mostly whatever, sometimes if it is a user account, you may see the restriction clearly indicating here with red headline. However, it may be a business manager, and it could also be a page, or it may be another asset which is not either user account or ad account. So in that case, you won't see it here. So you have to click on the three dots, three lines on the left hand corner, click on account quality, and then you bring it to account quality. Now, when you come to account quality, you can check account issues. So for example, if I check account issues, let's see what is there. Okay, so I have two outstanding issues. That's the business manager has been restricted with an ad account. So I just need to click on see details, and then you have to also check if it is a user account, and let's say it is not yet restricted. It is not yet permanently restricted. You can still confirm your identity. If it is permanently restricted, as I said, follow it to the end and I'll show you how to do. So this one is a business manager. If you want to know the details, you can also check account status. You can check under the Facebook account. And that Facebook account means it's a user. This one will indicate that if you see any restriction under the Facebook account, it means you are having a user restriction. It means you are having a user restriction. So let's check under my Facebook account. As you can see here, the Facebook account is not restricted. So it is the business manager that is restricted. So if it's a business manager and the identity confirmation failed, you can add another administrator to your business manager and be able to request the review or confirm the identity and request a review. So these are the processes that we need to follow in order to confirm the identity. Let's go through it. Okay, so here you click on confirm identity. Yeah, so you'll be asked to upload the image. But before you upload the image of your ID card, follow these steps very seriously. You have to first of all check that your name on the Facebook account is matching with the name on your ID card that you're going to use. And for your information, you can use national identity card, you can use passport, you can use voter ID card, you can use driver license, and you can also use national insurance or insurance card you can use. But the most important thing is any identity card you are using, your first, last name, and your picture, your birth date should be on it. Your first name, your last name, your birth date, and your image should be on it. Those are the requirements they are looking for. So those of you that your identity confirmation fails, most of the time, the reason is either your first or your last name does not match with what is on the card. If your first and last name is matching, and you have not used that ID card for another Facebook account, then the identity confirmation will be successful. But if you have used that ID card for another account, your identity confirmation may not be successful. So check your first, last name, your ID card on your ID card and match it with. Make sure if it is not matching, change your name on your Facebook to match with it. So you can come to your Facebook, you click on your profile picture on the top right hand corner, click on settings and privacy. You go to your settings. From your settings, you can check your name, first, last name. If it is not matching, you edit it and then make sure that it's matching. Then you check your birth date and your gender. So how do you do that? You click again on your name on the left hand side. Then as you click on it, you go to your about section. Then you check under contact and basic info. You can see your birth date. If it doesn't match, you make sure it matches. Then you correct your if your gender does not match what's on your ID card, make sure that you indicate it. Okay, so after you are done with that, you can come back and now upload your image. When you submit, so the identity confirmation, the review for request for identity confirmation has been submitted. Now, when you come, if it is a business manager account, when you come under the business manager, you may still see confirm your identity. So it means the identity has not yet been confirmed. So as you can see here, they say ID received review request. So the ID has been received. Now, after the identity is confirmed, here when you come, you will see confirm your identity again, and we can proceed to request review. So the request review button here will be bold, so I can click to confirm your to request the review. But because the identity is not yet confirmed, I cannot request the review. So, but if it is a user account or maybe an other account, maybe it's a personal other account or user account. If we submit the ID card, we may just click. Then there will just be the step where we can click to request the review. So for user account, you can submit the ID card and request the review, but it will be pending till they confirm your identity. But for business manager, you have to confirm your identity, then later request the review, maybe within some hours. So that's how the user account request for review looks like. So if it were a user account and the identity confirmation failed, then what we may have to do is to either get an account, we have to get a different account, because there is no other option available. Some of you, they will tell you that you should go and confirm your identity in political advert. It will not work. I'm telling you the truth. I've tried it on several occasions. It doesn't work. When your identity confirmation fails, some of you, they may tell you come to your account settings and then come and confirm your identity here. So you can confirm identity here, but the truth is that it doesn't work that way, because this one is identity confirmation for political advert. You can see confirm your identity. This one is for political advert, not for reinstating your account. So if you confirm your identity here, it will still not work. If it is a user account, the best solution will be to get a new account. If it is a business manager, you can add another administrator to your other account, your business manager account, so the person can request a review from his or her end. So how do you do that? That one, you come to business settings, you click on business settings, and then you select the business that has the restriction. Then you come here and click on add people. So you click on add, then you follow the steps to add an administrator. and then you can log into that person and go to his or her account quality and request everything. That is if it is a business manager, either business manager or business ad account that is restricted. But if it is personal user account, the user account as personal, you cannot make someone an administrator of your user account or as a user of Facebook. So that is why for the user account, if your identity confirmation fails, then there is nothing that you can do unless you get a new account. So in that case, if your user account is restricted or if your account is permanently restricted, that one we have accounts available, all existing accounts that you can buy and start your advertising right away. So now you can contact us for more information about that. It will help you to be able to to advertise. If you also tried and your identity confirmation failed, but it's a user account and you think you can still have other options or whatever problem that you are facing, remember to leave your comment. You can leave the comment in the comment section, or you can follow the WhatsApp link to WhatsApp us. You can also follow the link to our online store to place an order so that we can reach out to you and help you reinstate your account, or get, if you want to get an old existing Facebook account so that you can advertise. All those options are available. We expect to hear your feedback, and if you follow all the process that I indicated, you will be able to get your identity confirmation successful, or you will be able to get back to advertising. Have a great day.